Hello everybody, my name is Syed Abdul Basir Samimi. I'm originally from Afghanistan and I'm living in Porto Alegre, Brazil. I studied in Japan from 2015 to 2018. I studied my doctoral degree there and I could finish my program and afterward immediately start my postdoc at University of the Ryukyus. The area that I studied was conservation of cultural heritages, with a focus on the conservation of cultural heritages of Herat city in western Afghanistan. This city is a walled city and is full of monuments and cultural heritages. The intention at the time was to improve and take a step to put this historic city in the World Cultural Heritage list of UNESCO. Therefore, all the studies were concerning this topic. During my studies, I could do various research projects, and the main project was conservation of cultural heritages of old city of Herat and the transformation of the city of Herat. Here in this video, I want to explain the main topics that have been studied in these two researches. The research have been done at University of the Ryukyus with the supervision of Professor Tetsuya Ando from the University of the Ryukyus. In the study of conservation of cultural heritages of Herat, we have studied all the entire historic city of Herat, which is located in the center of Herat. We studied the houses that could survive from the various years of war, and they are important in terms of historic landscape. These historic houses are characterized by a dome-shaped roofs. These historic dome roofs are predominant at the site. However, they are transformed during the history. The recent changes and modernization, especially after years of war, caused a massive transformation in these historic sites by changing the historic houses to the new houses or mixed type of houses, which are the combination of a historic house and a new house in the same location or in the same property. We studied the distribution of these types of houses in the old city of Herat, and we found that this process of transformation in this modernization era of Afghanistan is endangering the historic significance, authenticity, and integrity of the historic heritages of the site. The researchers about this transformation published in Architectural Institute of Japan, the International Journal of Japan, and could gain various attentions from all over the world. The other study was the transformation of the whole city. We studied the distribution of these historic types of houses in all city of Herat. And we found in some places of the city of Herat, the density of this kind of houses is more. In fact, we identified 7 locations with higher densities of these types of houses and categorized them in terms of importance of cultural heritages or existence of cultural heritages. Along with this study, we identified 4 very important sites in Herat, which are Old City of Herat, the site of Bagadash, and the site of Kazargah, that need to be conserved by the government of Afghanistan. The result of publication were presented in various seminars in Herat, Afghanistan. But the studies didn't stop there as I continued for my postdoc at university. We did analysis of transformation of Herat and the reason behind this transformation in local level and also in national level, and how these transformations are affected by history of Herat or history of Afghanistan, how the historical moments and the change of the war or the change of the rule by change of government affected the speed of this transformation in this historic site, which of course would be an example for showing the same effects for all Afghanistan. In this period of study, we could produce various researches. Along with, we could make a database from the all existent historic monuments and houses of Herat. And then we expanded the site for the cities of Farah and Zaranj, and then we continued for the historic cities in all Western Afghanistan and Eastern Iran. The results have been published in various journals and received very good attention from the professionals of both countries. I am proud to have this opportunity, by the support of JICA, to do this research and try my best to include Herat as a city important for conservation and introducing it to the world and paving the way as much as I can, and the team we were involved, for including Herat in the World Cultural Heritage List. JICA supported this process financially, not only by scholarship, but by providing various research items that we needed, including various satellite images with the best possible qualities, and any other fund which we were required, including buying drone for aerial photography, and the budget for going to the seminars and international conferences for presenting our results. Therefore, I'm extremely thankful of JICA and the team of the researcher at University of Ryukyus, and in fact, the most important, Professor Tetsuya Ando, who paves the way without a stop to do these studies. Thank you very much for attention, and I hope this experience, share of this experience, would bring light for other researchers who are in the area, who are doing studies on transformation of the cities, conservation of cultural heritages, and similar studies. Thank you very much.